Ring of Leon, and I just want to tell you, I just bought these two skins, Shark Leon and Dino Leon. So, which skin do you think is best from the three? Shark Leon, Dino Leon, or Leon the Stray? Alright, so I'm gonna put it on random and I'm gonna play a solo showdown game. Here we go. Alright, we're in. Let's go. Got an Edgar, a Buzz. Alright, two buzzes actually. Let's go. So Leon's my main, and I really like playing with Dynamite. As you saw in my other shorts, this is gonna be my first real long form video. It's been a long time since I played with Leon, since I was a bit too scared to push him. Right. Just as scary. Alright. Good.
Leave me alone! Invisibility! What's this? Invisibility! Don't make me get
Whew. That was a tight game. Oh my god. Oh. Alright, second. Let's see. Do you think my strategy is good with Leon, or should I try other strategies with? Because I have both star powers and both gadgets of Leon, and I have like 3 gears, I think. So, yeah. My voice is a bit shaky because I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing good for first long form video or not. Knock off Leon, Dynamite, good video, it's fine. Normal. I got this, right? Another Chester? It's always the Chesters. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna try the team. Hehe, loser. Never team. Teaming is not good.
What's this? Don't make me get Nita!
Teamers! Oh, damn.
Theology rocks! Invisibility!
Forgot to use that star power.
Untouchable!
Nice. Good card. Don't team.
What's this? Theology rocks! Hey, Nita, check me out!
So close to hyper.
once.
One more hit and I get hyper plus super. Come on, better get that hit in. I don't think I'm gonna be able to survive. Oh, oh, oh. No, I clutched this, right? Oh my god. It's fine, it's fine. No way I actually got that on camera. That's crazy. I should not have survived there. This is why I don't want to risk it playing with Leon, because it was way too close. Yeah, oh my god. Well, I just went back to lobby. Because I have to go do something real quick. Okay, Daniel Leon's next. Because sometimes the skins really like make you play better for some reason. Alright, 1 second. Alright, I'm back. Here we go. Second game. Oh yeah, I forgot. And these high trophies, it takes a lot of time. I'm just gonna like see when it's done. Finally, man, I've been waiting for over 10 minutes at least. Alright. So actually my first time trying this skin, so let's see if it makes me better. Like I just bought this one and the shark skin, so yeah. Teamers. Well, 3 of them are teamers. What? Should never team.
Don't make me get Nita.
Okay, come on. What?
Invisibility. Don't make me get Nita. See ya.
Oh my god, man. Sorry I've been silent this whole time, but man, teamers are not so sick of them. Oh, straight up 10 out of 10. Okay, I think this time I'm gonna talk even more, cause like you don't feel that lonely. Bloodthirsty.
Time to brawl.
Master Angelo is mad. Got him. Alright, here we go. Shoot it as much as you want, man. I don't really mind. Oh, he's in that one little bushing. Yeah.
Invisibility.
That's Frank, right? Oh, I'm Frank? No way, nobody's sniping here. Oh! Alright. Teamers. Oh my god. Oh. Sorry, guys, I'm not that good. Alright. Wait. Yeah, Shark Leon's probably gonna make it better. I've seen a lot of like pro people that don't have the mecha skins use this skin. Shark skin. He looks good, to be honest. I just bought both of them because I had a lot of spare bling. So, yeah. Alright. Let's see, is Shark Leon gonna be any different? Okay, knock off me and a Fang. At least there's no Edgars, is there? I didn't really see any Edgars. Who's that? Vivi? Teamer? I really like the animation too. I see you knock off me. Missed. Wrong gadget. In my opinion. Because a lot of people disagree with me. With that one. Oh my god. Ugh, it's crazy. It's crazy annoying. That's why I hate playing with like 5 people. Like Dynamite. My first I'm actually like super scared. But it's not like as high trophies as my Leon. Leon's like top priority. Alright. Buzz. Kit. Are you serious? Kit. And 3 Edgars or something. And that's like unskilled Dynamite. Oh right. Yeah, he probably saw me do my gadget. It's nothing special. But how do you guess where I am? I like fish flopping. Fish floppy floppy. How? 2 Buzzilla. 2 Buzzilla. Okay, no way, no way, no way. Are you serious? So this might be my last game, then I'm just gonna stop. At this point, it's not worth it. But maybe I can do more like Leon pushing and stuff later. When I'm more confident in myself. But when I see these teamers, it just makes me sad. I wanna cry. Okay, Dynamic is the only person I'm scared of right now. That's literally it. I don't really care. He's Edgar, he can die. Yeah. It's probably gonna be so stupid. No, he's not that stupid. Actually, he kind of is. For even attacking me in the first place. Alright. Another bit of campers.
What's this?
A Piper. Yes, sir.
Yeah!
That's the dynamite I'm scared of. Edgar is not looking very nice. Oh, I'm not gonna make it, am I? No way I made that. Should not have made that. Boink! Not only me versus Edgar now. So we meet again, old friend. Yeah, I easily kill him. I didn't even have to use hyper. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Okay, now this is my last game. By the way, if you're liking this, please, if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe, and go check out my other shorts or videos. That's all I have to say, really. Yeah. Never mind. Alright. Let's see what time is it. Alright. Oh yeah, 1 second. Alright, I'm back. I might not be able to talk in this, okay? So, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, I wasn't recording the whole time. Wow. It's fine, I could probably show you like the rest of it, like from the recording, like the actual thing. Ah, it's annoying. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. One more. One more is enough. Oh yeah, I didn't try the cat one. It's fine. Alright. The lover. Alright, Bowmaster, the most skillful brawler in the game. Who is that again? Viper? No, she can't kill me. Two Edgar's teaming. Oh my god. I've never seen such disappointment in my life. They're both probably like 2-year-olds. I don't know. Maybe. Oh my god, and a Lily now. RT? I'm still standing. Damn, I thought RT was better than that. I thought RT wouldn't team. He's a disappointment, I guess. Just like all the other people. I couldn't do anything. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Anyways, thank you all for. No way I didn't get a single good trophy from that. I think I even lost a lot of trophies. Yeah, I lost. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this type of content. And if you wanna see another video, comment. Yeah, that's it. Bye.